Good morning, dear students. In our previous classes, we have discussed about what is noun, how many types of nouns are there, common noun, proper noun, concrete noun. Now we are going to discuss about abstract noun. Okay, before elaborating the points of abstract noun, like definitions, I am going to tell you some points, some facts about abstract noun. Abstract noun is totally different from concrete noun. It is opposite of concrete noun. In concrete noun, what we have studied, that we can touch it. In concrete noun, we can touch it, we can feel it, we can see it, we can hear it, we can touch it, we can smell it. Okay, but in abstract noun, we only can feel the we can only experience, or we can only feel the things whatever it is. I am going to elaborate every single point. Okay. An abstract noun refers to quality, action and state of being. It's a very short definition, but there is many more things to understand. Understand it logically. Okay. An abstract noun refers to quality, action and state of being. What is the quality is? Quality is if you are a humorous nature, then this is your quality. If you are a comedian, then this is your quality. If you are very kind, very loyal, very obedient, very I can say very polite in nature, then this is your quality. Okay. Now here you will know by the examples. If you will get any type of problem, you can just go through the example and you will understand. Definitely you will understand. Okay. Now example is kindness. If you are kind, if you are helpful to anyone, any people, any person, if you are helpful, even animals, even to the animals, if you are very kind, very helpful, very loyal, then this is your quality. Now quality comes under abstract noun. Laughter. If you are laughing, if I am laughing over here, this is my action. I am doing action here. If I am very angry on you, if you are not studying, if I am angry on you, then this is my action, whatever I am doing. Now quality is what? This is your kindness. Okay. And action, that is anger, you can say it. Anger is there. Okay. Laughter. If you are laughing, then this is your action. Okay. And what is the state of being? Tell me, what is state of being? State of being means the things which is very natural, which is going to stay with you, जो आपके साथ हमेशा है. That is, we can take example of beauty. Beauty means क्या होता है? सुंदरता होता है. That is सुंदरता, and it will stay with you. Okay. So this is state of being. Now जो beauty होता है, that is beauty, you can't touch it. Have you seen the beauty? No. Beauty you can feel it. If I am beautiful, so thank you so much. If I am beautiful, then if you will see me, then you will only feel that no, ma'am is beautiful. This is the point. Now sentences is there, so you will understand very common sentences are there. Soma get great ideas. Ideas you only thought. Okay, you only thought the ideas, so you can't touch the idea, you can't feel the ideas, you can't what to say, hear the ideas, you only thought. By thinking you can get any ideas. So Soma is here, she gets very good ideas. So ideas is here is a abstract noun. Okay, it's a abstract noun. Okay. Now children should show love to others. Children should show love to others. चिल्ड्रन जो होते हैं, बच्चे होते हैं, उनको सबके लिए प्यार दिखाना चाहिए. दैट इज लव. लव यू कैन फील. यस. सो लव विल बी abstract noun. Priti is very kind girl. Priti is a very kind girl. So what is the quality of Priti? That is, she is very kind. So kind is your abstract noun. Okay. Understand? So go through the sentences, go through the definitions, go through the examples. You will definitely know what is abstract noun. And after knowing all the things, please go noun, common noun, proper noun, concrete noun and abstract noun. So you will just recover and recognize it easily. If you will not read, then you will definitely just forget everything. And wherever you will get any problem, please mark the question, send it to me, and I'll solve it as possible. So thank you so much.